Okay, so we have a pile of planes here and some more all around the room. And then I thought, okay, let's make a stand for these. I've seen several different types of stands on the internet, some made from PVC piping and things like that. What I made here is I just wanted to get a base. So I got a fairly heavy piece of wood, but when I went to the hardware store, I found this little trolley and I thought that would be fine. So I used a trolley, and here you see I have just a shelf bracket. It was just whatever they had. I have drilled through and used little bolts to bolt it on there and there. Then I have bolted it on here to the railing. So these shelf railings, if I move up along, you see they're kind of a standard shelf railing that you use to normally mount to the wall, but I've mounted them here. And you can buy these pieces here, which are different lengths. That's I think 250 millimeters. And the nice thing about these are you can just very easily pop them in and place them wherever you like. And up there to the top, I put a piece of wood across the top, which I'll probably paint later just to keep it square. So there you go, that's it. If I come here a little bit to the side, you'll see it. That's it from the side. Some mounts on there. And I show you then quickly how I put my planes on there. Okay, we can use the glider, and you just sit it on there. Pretty easy. The only thing to watch out for is obviously you'll know where the CG of your planes are. On this one it's somewhere around here, and that should line up with the center of your board at the bottom. If you're using a trolley, you don't want the CG to be too far forward or back, because then it might tip over. So you can just pop them in there, and then depending on what planes I get, it's very easy to just change the position of these. Pretty straightforward. Okay, here I have stacked up some planes on it. You can see them there. So advantage being that I can move these to wherever I want. The ones on the bottom, they're 350 mil long, which is a little bit, I guess, too long. So I got ones that are a little bit shorter. Got all my planes stacked up there. Worked out quite well. And a nice advantage of this is, of course, I can just grab it and carefully, of course, can roll it around. So if we need to move them around or clean up the place or whatever, and I can fit one or two more up there. There we go. So let me just roll it back over here to the corner. There you go. So it's a mobile stand, I guess, and it seems to hold them all pretty well. There you go. I hope you enjoy that idea, and maybe it helps you figure out how you're gonna build a rack to hold your own planes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.